Welcome to my channel, Sparkle and Glue. I hope you're having a great day. So I just wanted to talk to you about something I'm going to start working on, and I thought maybe we could work on it together. So I'm calling this a joy journal. I don't know if, that's not really the name. Mine is going to be leave a little sparkle wherever you go, and that's what I put on the front. But ultimately, it is about being happy and bringing some happiness into your life. And so there are no rules. Every page, you do whatever you want. But the one thing that you do need to do is just put something in there every page, something that makes you happy or smile. Whether it's a scrap of pretty paper, paper that's left over from a journal that you really enjoyed making. It could be a quote that lifts you up and makes you feel happy or think of positive things. It could be a memory. It could be anything. It's just something that then you can pick up and look through and maybe make a tough day just a little better. So that's the whole part of this, but it can be decorated in any way you want. It can be any size you want. It can be any shape, but as many pages. You can do more than one. So we can do, one today, but then maybe put it away and make something new that you think, oh, well, this is a little better, or this is a little easier to work with. So mine that I'm saying leave a little sparkle wherever you go, and I'm kind of starting to say that at the end of the videos, something to that effect, or keep sparkling, because that's what keeps me going, makes me happy, and I feel like sharing this with you guys maybe can bring a little joy to you too. And the saying, leave a little sparkle wherever you go, what it means to me is that I try to make everywhere I go or everyone I see or talk to just make maybe it a little better than it was. And that doesn't mean doing a lot or overdoing, but maybe give a little compliment. Maybe pick up somebody's glass and bring it to the sink. I don't know. Whatever it is, just leave your sparkle. Whatever. And I think by doing that, you might make somebody else do that for another person, and it just maybe will make the world a little bit better. I know we can't really fix what's going on out there. So really, it's like a ripple effect, I'm guessing, or a butterfly effect, we could say. So anyway, that was kind of my idea with it. I'm going to show you. I only started mine. I haven't done anything on this front because I really don't know what I want yet. I don't know if I want to write. I don't know if I want to just print something. I'm not sure, so I'm leaving it. So I left those pages blank. What I started with, and this is just a paper that I really enjoy. This happens to be from Knitwit Collections. It's a cottage garden, I believe. But it makes me happy when I look at it. It has a lot of really pretty sayings, and I don't know, the pink flowers just make me happy. Now that might not be what makes you happy, and that's fine, right? It's about you, really, is all it is. So, and I just did the page in pink, just what I felt like. Another page I did is just view of the ocean and purple and blue flowers. Again, that just brings me happiness. And then I put do more of the things that make you smile. And I'm trying to do that because that's really what life's about. And this is just a little sparkle, a little glitter, metallic, I guess, cut out. And that's all I've done so far. And this book, it's let's see, I think it's about maybe 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 or five. I don't even remember what I did. Okay, so 6. It's a 6 by 6, excuse me. So 6 by 6. I took now it's coming back. I took 12 by 12 paper and I cut them in half and then folded them. So I made it 6 by 6. But again, you don't have to do that. You could use an existing journal. This is just something I had made from some scrap paper, and I put some paper on top. It could be this. It really doesn't matter. Really, it's just about bringing some happiness. So this is just our little intro video and explaining how I feel about it. So, but again, your vision may be completely different, and that's perfect. That's great. But so the next video, what I'll do is I will go over how I made this particular album. But like I said, you don't need to do it. This can be anything you want, but I will do a video on the measurements and how this album was made and what I used. And then we'll just go from there. And then maybe I don't have a set schedule yet, but maybe we'll just keep coming back and talking about something new we can add in our journal, or maybe do a page together. And like I said, it's really just something that you can pick up if you're having a tough day and look through it and maybe say, maybe it's not as bad as I think, or just bring a little joy to your life. Anyway, that was it, and thanks so much for listening and stopping by my channel. I really appreciate you guys and love sharing with you. Anyway, I hope you have a great day and leave a little sparkle wherever you go. Okay, we'll catch you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.